absolutely not going to believe how amazing these air fryer hard-boiled eggs taste, how easy they are to peel, and how we easily take this to this, and it's super yummy. Grab your pen, grab your paper, grab your air fryer. Let's go. This channel. My name is Shelly. I'm a registered dietitian of the keto, low carb, and anti-inflammatory kitchen. And in this channel, I give fabulous recipes and tips for living the keto lifestyle. If that's something you're interested in, go ahead and subscribe. You're going to be so floored how easy it is to make these great eggs. I want you to come on in, grab your pen and paper, because it's just a couple of notes that you're going to take. So we have, of course, our eggs. We have our fabulous air fryer that you know I all love. Mwah. And then I do have an ice water bath. So it doesn't get easier than this, friends. We're gonna put our eggs, now of course these are raw, in our air fryer basket. Now we love eggs. You could use this to make egg salad, egg this, egg that, egg whatever. Comment below on your favorite egg dish. One egg's about 5 grams of fat, about 80 calories, so it fits perfectly in our keto plan. I do understand that some folks may avoid eggs due to an allergy, so you're just going to take notes and pass this on to your best friend because they have an air fryer and they're going to want to do this. We have our eggs in our air fryer basket, no need for anything else. We're just going to put this in our trusty air fryer, super important. We're going to go low temperature with our air fryer. You can do this one of two ways. Some air fryers only cook at 300 degrees. So if yours is a 300 degree air fryer, nothing less, you're gonna go about 12 to 14 minutes. I have a Philips here. Mine does go down to 250. So we're gonna put it at 250 for 16 minutes. And of course, I'm really careful about putting this in there because I'm always afraid of getting a funky mess. 250, 16 minutes, let's do this. So our eggs are done. Let's check out to see how these bad boys peel. Now, I have to be honest, friends, I do not have a secret peeling technique. I just kind of hit both sides and kind of crumple it up in my hands. So if you have a really cool peeling technique, definitely let me know because I have destroyed so many eggs because I've peeled off so much, I guess, of the egg white part of it. But I will tell you this, very easy to peel. That's what I love about cooking eggs in the air fryer. Look how easy this is coming off. Oh my gosh, gang, this is crazy. Oh, I did a little mess part right there. Now, normally what I love to do is kind of dunk these bad boys in a little bit of water to kind of clean it off, but I'm gonna use my napkin that's right here, so you kind of do what you gotta do. I'm gonna use my knife. Look at that. Come on in a little bit closer. I really want you to see that, and I'm going to take a little bite of this. Where's my Redmond salt? I cannot find you. Where are you? Where are you? Oh, there you are. There you are. Sprinkle a little bit on top of there. Look at me. I'm looking like a super fancy, schmancy chef. And I'm going to take a bite. And if you can hear it, yay! I know that grosses people out. Okay, scroll in the description box below so you can get the recipe, get the directions, plus sign up for my 7-day keto, low carb, anti-inflammatory menu. Gang, I'm Shelly. I know because you watched this video. Go ahead and watch these right here, which shows more fabulous air fryer recipes. And I wish you all a beautiful day. Mwah.